In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a bar plot. And a bar plot differs from a histogram in the sense that a bar plot is typically used to chart the frequencies of categories or categorical type variables. So the number of people who voted yes versus no, the number of people who are male versus female. And so a histogram is typically used to show the frequency of numeric scores or scale scores, and bar plots are used to demonstrate the frequencies of categories. So I'll go ahead and show you how to perform that. So you want to have your data file open. We want to go down to the plots menu, click on that, and we want to choose bar plot. And so the X variable is the variable that you want to demonstrate the frequency of. And so in this case, we're going to look at sex or gender, which is male or female in this case. And so we choose that as our X variable. And then you can also group these variables. So if you wanted to look at the number of males and females based upon favorite color, or based upon the state they live in, or any other type of grouping variable, you can do that. So we are going to do that. We're going to choose as our grouping variable favorite color. And then we can look at how we want to arrange the bars. So we can either stack the bars or not. So with not stacking the bars are kind of separated, so there's space between our two X variable categories in this case. The axis type would be frequency. That's the most common one we're going to look at. And then we can orient how the bars are arranged, either horizontally or vertically, and I'll show you an example of both of those. So once we've arranged our X variable, our favorite color, or our grouping variable, and then we've chose some of the characteristics of what our bar plot will look like, we go ahead and click Submit. And so now we can see our bar plot here. So here's our males grouped by favorite color, and then here's our females grouped by favorite color. And this also produces a table for you of the frequencies and percentages, so you can utilize both of these in a research report or a results report. And so this allows you to kind of start to break down these frequencies and demonstrate these frequencies in a couple of different ways. And you can see here, this is the horizontal orientation. So let me go ahead and demonstrate what a vertical one would look like. So we're going to go ahead and choose sex as our X variable. And let's choose a different grouping variable. Let's use group here. And again, we're not going to stack the bars, and we want to use a vertical orientation. And you can see after I click the Submit button what that would look like. So now you can see how things are arranged in a vertical way. And here we have male and female frequencies grouped by group designation, group A versus B. And again, here's our table. So I would suggest you kind of play around with this a little bit and try out some of the different features until you find a bar plot that you like the visual appeal of and that describes your data the best possible way. And I think you'll find these to be very useful. So hopefully you've learned something here, and good luck using this in your own research.